Another stock that remains in focus is Syrma SGS. The stock has hit an upper circuit of 20% after reporting a stellar set of numbers in the third quarter of FY25. What were the factors that led to this up move in the share prices? We have Puneet joining us with all those details.
Well, thanks for that. So, company reported a 23% revenue growth, but its EBITDA as well as profitability has gone up by 100% and 161% respectively, and that's one of the key positives about the company. Now, apart from that, we're seeing a sharp reaction come in the stock after its, conference call which was held this morning as well, and we just took out 5 key takeaways from that. The first one's, of course, the current order book has gone up from roughly about 4,800 crores in the previous quarter to 5,300 crores, and company has mentioned that while auto as well as the consumer sector continues to have 60 to 70% share, they are renegotiating some of the lower priced consumer orders, and that will benefit margins going forward as well. The second key factor is that the consumer share business, which is the low margin business, has come down consistently from first quarter. First quarter, the 54% of revenues came from the consumer business. That's gone down to 41% in Q2 and 31% now. And this has propelled the margin by 390 basis points from roughly 5.1% in Q1 to roughly about 9.1% this particular quarter, and hence the strong reaction on EBITDA margins, and while the outlook also looks positive. The third key factor is higher growth guidance going forward as well. They've mentioned that industry growth is expected to be 30 to 35%. Syrma will grow by 45% in terms of revenues in this fiscal year of FY25. The fourth key vertical is that the new verticals like medtech, railways and IT will continue their growth. Medtech especially, while it's negligible revenue right now, is expected to be a 200 crore business by FY26. So watch out for this one. And last and final key aspect is that the change in strategy by the management to focus now on EBITDA margin rather than revenue growth, something that's a key change over the last 2 to 3 quarters. They mentioned that their recalibrated strategy will improve EBITDA margins to further 8% over the next year, but they've not given an official guidance. For FY25, the guidance of EBITDA margin is 7%, and it's on its way to definitely meet that as well. So overall, positive, strong quarter for Syrma, and the commentary has, positively impacted numbers further after a stellar result.
Right. Thank you, Puneet, for that. Mahesh, did you get time to look at the Syrma SGS numbers? Any thoughts on that?
Definitely, Syrma SGS is in our watch list from listing. So I think this is the surprise number and guidance which is given by management is look very good. And I think the stock has more potential for upside. For short-term period, we can see 600 plus level in Syrma, and I think we have to see 1 to 2 quarter more, then we can see some more upside in Syrma. If there is guidance given by management achieved, then we can see more upside potential. This is the upside. Upside can be continued till more from 600 plus level also. So from current perspective, I think 625 to 640 level could become in near term.